From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, from Assam to Gujarat, every part of the country is celebrating its 74th Independence Day. Independence from over 200 years of British Raj, sacrifice, unity, strength, urge for freedom are the reasons we are here today. 15th August, marked as Independence Day annually, celebrates those warriors who have shed their lives for freedom. The sacrifice is invaluable and can never be paid off, but on this day, we remember their sacrifice, their courage, and their selflessness to our freedom fighters and freedom leaders. Today, we cherish the ones who have made our independence possible. Freedom is hard to get, but we are blessed to have it. Let's appreciate everything we have and celebrate the great miracle of freedom. The smell of the air is fresh. The birds are chirping loud. The sun is ready to salute and the tricolor is ready to flutter high in the sky. I, Suhani Jagirdar, on behalf of Countryside International School, welcome you all to the virtual celebration of Independence Day. Today, with us we have as our chief guest Mr. Haren Kumar Gandhi. Sir is an ex-Air Force officer and a Kargil war veteran. He has served as physical fitness, drill, weapon, yoga, and sports instructor in the Indian Air Force for 23 glorious years. I welcome you, sir, to the virtual celebration. Let us begin with the program. I request Principal Sir, Trustee Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, and sports educators to hoist the flag in the virtual presence of our chief guest, Mr. Haren Gandhi, educators, and our scholars. Let us all rise at our places and honor the national flag, followed by national anthem. Salamiyam De.
भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम।
जैसे थे. Whenever, wherever we are, our national anthem never fails to give us goosebumps every time we listen to it. It is truly said that necessity is the mother of invention. And in this time of pandemic, we have gathered virtually via different applications and social media platforms to celebrate the first ever virtual celebration of Independence Day. I request our head, Principal Dr. Sanjay Mehta sir, to address our first ever virtual celebration of Independence Day. Over to you, sir.
लिख रहा हूँ मैं जिसका अंजाम आज, कल उसका आगाज आएगा। मेरे लहू का हर एक कतरा इनकलाब लाएगा। मैं रहूं या ना रहूं, ये वादा है तुझसे मेरा, मेरे बाद वतन पे मिटने वालों का सैलाब आएगा. What else could be the matter of pride? To fill these lines spoken for Shahid Bhagat Singh. Good morning, everyone. It's a great pleasure to welcome today's chief guest, an army man, Sri Harin Gandhi, my fellow colleagues, trustees, teachers, parents, and the future of our country, my dear little CSians. I wish you on the 74th Independence Day of our motherland. I convey my best wishes to each and every one of you. Let's remember those martyrs who have laid down their life for our freedom. Today, we are celebrating Glorious Day virtually. We are bit far from each other. All the students, you are at home. But our feelings of patriotism and a very special bond make this celebration unique one. And rather, it connects us and we are more closer. Well, today we are fighting emergency, the global pandemic. It is the worst kind of emergency ever the generation would have faced. But believe me, together we will fight and we'll come back to new normal. Yes, it's new normal now. Everything we need to set and it is reset. We will have to learn, unlearn and relearn again. But finally, our spirit and courage will defeat this pandemic. Dear everyone, I think this is the right opportunity to prove the world that India can be Vishwaguru. India is Atmanirbhar now, and I am very sure the generation which is coming will definitely prove this. The world is also facing not many other problems too. I think the world is looking at us, our country, our youth, to give the global solutions and the problems of future. The future problem could be global warming, terrorism, and nuclear weapons. We also will have to fight and give solution against the use of technical disruptions. It's India who can give an answer. The youth of India can give an answer. Let's promise our ancestors that their sacrifice will not go in vain. We will definitely work. We will work harder than ever. We will be more responsible. We will preserve the true spirit of democracy. We will walk on the path of equality and justice. Again, I wish you and welcome everyone to join for the virtual celebration. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your words. Celebrating the spirit of India, feeling of joy and pride of being an Indian. Let us start with our very first performance. I request music educator Mr. Ragam Jain and the choir group for a melodious music performance.
मिला के चल, नई डगर नया सफर कदम मिला के चल, नई डगर नया सफर कदम मिला
Wow, indeed a melodious performance. Tu muskura ke chal, kadam mila ke chal. Unity. It was the unity in the mind and the hearts of the people that led victory today from this golden freedom struggle. As India shines with glory today, further, I invite one of our shining stars, Kunj Vyas from grade 7 to give a speech in Sanskrit. Kunj, over to you.
परम आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय, श्रद्धेय श्रीमान प्रधान आचार्य महोदय, आदरणीय अध्यापकः, सभायाम् उपस्थिताः सर्वे आगन्तुकजनाः तथा अस्माकं मित्राणि, भवतां सर्वेषां हार्दिकम् अभिनन्दनं। सर्वेभ्यः मम प्रणामाञ्जल्यः। प्रतिवर्षम् अगस्त मासस्य 15 तिथौ सम्पूर्ण भारतवर्षे स्वतन्त्रदिवसः सोत्साहं मन्यते। सप्तचत्वारिंशदुत्तरनवदशतमे वर्षे अस्मिन् दिने भारतं ब्रिटिश शासनात् बन्धनविरहितम् अभवत्। भारतमाता पारतन्त्रशृङ्खलां परित्यज्य मुक्ता बभूव। अस्मिन् दिने वयं स्वतन्त्रसैनिकं स्मरामः। भवतां सज्जनानि यतः अस्मिन् समये न केवलं अस्माकं देशः अपि तु पूर्णविश्वं कोरोना इति नामधेय महामार्या पीडितम् अस्ति। कोरोना संरक्षकसैनिकाः, अस्माकं चिकित्सकाः, पुलिसकर्मिणः, स्वच्छताकर्मिणः सजीवनस्य परिवारस्य चिन्तात्मः अकृत्वा देशवासिनां रक्षणं कुर्वन्ति। तान् प्रति अहं कृतज्ञतां ज्ञापयामि। अस्मिन् अवसरे अहं कोरोना योद्धानां सम्मान्य एकं हिंदी कविता श्रावयामि। जीवन मृत्यु के मध्य पड़े तुम चट्टानों सा अडिग खड़े, जन जन की सांसों के प्राही, तन मन से क्या तुम खूब लड़े। जब तक नस नस में रक्त बहेगा, ऋणी सदा यह देश रहेगा, ऋणी सदा यह देश रहेगा। कण कण में तेरी श्रद्धा है, तू अद्भुत अदम्य योद्धा है। तेरे त्याग, सेवा, बलिदानों की गाथा ही संदेश रहेगा, ऋणी सदा यह देश रहेगा, ऋणी सदा यह देश रहेगा। भवद्भ्यः स्वतंत्र दिवसस्य शुभकामनाः। जयन्तु भारतम्। धन्यवाद।
Wow, Kunj, just excellent. Bahu Shobhanam Vaktavya Kunj. Sanskrit is an ancient Indian language, also tough to master. Saffron, the color of courage, spirit, and sacrifice. White, the color of purity, truth, and peace. Green, the color of faith and fertility. Together with Ashok Chakra, makes India complete. Moving on to the very next performance, we have our graceful scholars here to give a dance performance.
छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा, भरे भरे मन गर्व से है लहरा गया जब तिरंगा। लोगों देखो देखो छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा। जननी तूने दिया है जीवन, तूने दिए आराम। जननी तेरा प्यार है मन में, होठों पे तेरा नाम। जननी अब तो एक ही धुन है, आए तेरे काम। जागे जागे हिम्मत है और जागे जागे हिम्मत है, रास्ते हैं और कारवां है और मंजिलों की बात है।
performance by our scholars. Lovely. जिसका ताज हिमालय है, जहां बहती गंगा है, जहां अनेकता में एकता है, सत्यमेव जयते जहां नारा है, वो वतन हिंदुस्तान हमारा है, हमारा है. Further, I invite young scholar from grade 7, Arham Bothra, to present a speech on this occasion.
Honorable founders of our school, respected principal sir, vice principal madam, headmistress, dear teachers, and all my fellow CS scholars, very good morning to all of you. I, Arham Bothra from grade 7, would like to thank you all for joining us in this virtual celebration of the 74th Independence Day of our country. India's Independence Day is the most important day for all the Indian citizens and has been mentioned forever in the history. It is the day when we got freedom from the British rule after many years of hard struggle by the great freedom fighters of India. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th August to remember the first day of freedom of India as well as to remember all the sacrifices of the great leaders who have sacrificed their lives in getting freedom for us. I would like to pay a sincere tribute to all of them with these lines. ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी. We are so lucky that our forefathers have given us a land of peace and happiness where we can sleep the whole night without fear and enjoy the whole day. Our country is developing very fast in the field of technology, education, sports, finance, and various other fields which were almost impossible before freedom. We have full rights to choose our government and enjoy the largest democracy in the world. I would like to salute all our defense forces who are fighting against the enemies for securing peace and prosperity for our country. We are the best nation because our military guarantees us the space, resources, and freedom to pursue excellence in business, education, healthcare, and all the other endeavors. India is our mother country and we are its citizens. We should be ready to save it from the evil. It is our responsibility to lead our country ahead and make it the best country in the world. And in the present scenario of the pandemic, I thank all the doctors, nurses, policemen, as well as all the COVID warriors who are constantly fighting against this beast named coronavirus. They are fighting with an enemy who is not even visible. Thank you, Corona warriors, for trying your best to keep the world safe. We can also contribute in fighting against this situation by staying home, wearing masks, proper sanitation, and most importantly by keeping social distance. I also pay a sincere homage to those people who lost their lives to COVID-19. Let us all hope that we would be able to celebrate our independence from coronavirus very soon. I hope that we would be able to celebrate all the upcoming festivals just as we celebrated last year. At last, I wish all the Indian citizens a very happy Independence Day and pray to God for a better and brighter future of our country. Jai Hind!
Very, very, very well said, Arham. ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, sung by Lata Mangeshkar, written by poet Pradeep, when performed for the very first time in 1963 during the Indo-China War. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was present when it was live sung, was in tears when he heard this song. Further, yoga has been a precious gift to the world by India. Many nations have wholeheartedly accepted yoga and has made yoga a part of their culture. 21st June is celebrated as the International World Yoga Day. With this, let's have a performance on yoga, specially prepared by our scholars.
Jaya
क्या बात। 3 रंग का नहीं वस्त्र, ये ध्वज देश की शान है। हर भारतीय के दिलों का ये स्वाभिमान है। यही है गंगा, यही हिमालय, यही हिंद की जान है। और 3 रंगों में रंगा हुआ ये अपना हिंदुस्तान है। ग्रेड 9 की स्टूडेंट जिया देसाई को मैं एक निबंध प्रस्तुति के लिए आमंत्रित करती हूँ।
आप सभी को आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी, गुरुजन और मेरे सभी प्यारे सहपाठी मित्रों, आप सभी को मेरा हार्दिक नमस्कार। आज के समय में भारत दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी ताकत और सबसे बड़ा लोकतंत्र बन चुका है। 15 अगस्त भारतीय लोकतंत्र और हर भारतीय के लिए काफी खास दिन है। यही वह दिन था जब भारत को ब्रिटिश शासन से आजादी मिली थी। आज हम हमारे आजादी की 74वीं सालगिरह मना रहे हैं। आजाद होने से इतने वर्षों में भारत की शांति, सुरक्षा और विकास के लिए अनेक लोगों ने अपना योगदान दिया है। आज मैं उन सब को दिल से नमन करती हूँ। जहाँ पे हिले बचाया तुमने वतन, जुल्म सहते रहे, गोली खाते रहे, बीच लाशों के तुम मुस्कुराते रहे, कतरे कतरे से सींचा है तुमने ये चमन, आज मैं करती हूँ इन देशभक्तों को नमन। अब तक हमारे भारत ने कई बड़ी सफलताएं हासिल कर ली है। अब हमारा भारत न ही साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी में किसी से पीछे रहा है और न ही खेल और शिक्षा में। अभी हाल ही की बात है, इसरो और DRDO ने कई बड़ी उपलब्धियां हासिल की और साथ ही फ्रांस को पीछे छोड़ने के बाद अब हमारा भारत 3 ट्रिलियन अर्थव्यवस्था तक पहुंच चुका है। हमें UNSC में भी सदस्यता मिली और हमने आतंकवादियों में भी विजय पाई है। मिशन शक्ति, वंदे मातरम एक्सप्रेस, बालाकोट सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक, चंद्रयान 2, आर्टिकल 370 का हत्या, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में भारत की पहली टेस्ट जीत जैसे मुकामों को भी हासिल किया है। इस कोविड-19 के संकट की घड़ी में भी भारत ने पड़ोसी पहले ही नीति का पालन किया है। भारत ने अपने नागरिकों के साथ साथ बांग्लादेश, म्यांमार, नेपाल और श्रीलंका के लोगों को भी निकालने में मदद की। कोविड-19 से मुकाबला करने के लिए हम सब ने अपना हौसला दिखाया है। हमें हमारी मातृभूमि से इतना मिला दुलार है, इसके आंचल की छाया से छोटा ये संसार है। हम न हिंसा के आगे अपना शीश झुकाएंगे। सच पूछो तो ये पूरा विश्व अपना ही परिवार है। आज के समय में हम सबको, खास करके हम विद्यार्थियों को, एक अहम भूमिका निभानी है। अपने आज़ादी का मतलब समझना है। आज़ादी अपने आलस से, आज़ादी अपने काम को टालने से, आज़ादी किसी और पर निर्भर रहने से, आज़ादी जैसे है वैसे ही चलने के प्रभाव से। आज अगर देखा जाए तो आज़ादी का सही मतलब है आत्मनिर्भर बनना और इस ओर अपना पहला कदम अपने घर और पड़ोस से ही हो सकता है। जैसे अपने आसपास सफाई रखना, अपने काम को स्वयं करने की आदत डालना, अपने कार्य को करने के नए नए तरीके निकालना और प्लास्टिक का प्रयोग न करना। हर देशवासी में अपने देश के प्रति एक प्रेम की भावना होती है, पर हम भारतीयों में ये भावना कूट कूट के भरी है, जो हमारे देश को और महान बनाती है। हम भाग्यशाली हैं कि हमारा जन्म भारत में हुआ है और हमें इस बात पर गर्व भी होना चाहिए, क्योंकि मैंने सुना है कि इस पवित्र भूमि पर तो देवता भी जन्म लेने को तरसते हैं। जय भारत।
Excellent, Jia. Moving on further, let's not forget the sacrifice that our ancestors have made. Let's not forget the blood our freedom fighters have shed. Come, let's have a short documentary specially prepared by the educators depicting India's journey from the year 1498.
India, Hindustan, Bharat, the land of rivers, the land of freedom fighters, the land of Asiatic lands, the land of religion, where more than 1600 languages are spoken and many major religions are practiced, where culture meets technology, where the past meets the present and decorates a worthy future. This is India. Today, it's been 73 years since we were out of the clutches of the Britishers. Blood, sacrifice, fights, satyagraha, and the feeling of love are the reasons we breathe freedom today. On this glorious day of 74th independence, come, let's see India's journey from being a slave country to a republic, democratic, secular country. Come, let's go to the year 1498.
The doors of India was closed till Vasco da Gama discovered India through sea route in 1498. This discovery not only changed the life and livings of Indians, but also changed the face of Indian economy. Arrivals of Europeans in 1600 was a game changer. Initially a trading company and later the foundation stone of the British Empire. Mughals ruled India till 1757, but later lost to East India Company in the Battle of Plassey. This was the establishment of British Raj, and finally the Britishers were in power. Mughals were very angry and they fought back in the revolt of 1857. This revolt was an end to Mughal Empire. Principles laid by the Britishers were opposed by many. Freedom fighters like Rani Lakshmibai, Mangal Pandey marked their immortal presence in the first ever War of Independence.
Later, in 1885, there was a formation of political organization, the Indian National Congress. It is regarded as the first all-India groups to have marked the beginning of freedom movement. Early leaders of this group believed in petition, writing request, whereas the new leaders, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bipin Chandra Pal, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, also known as Lal, Bal, Pal, trio, believed in immediate actions and the participation of common people.
The increasing unity was a threat to the Britishers. In 1905, Bengal was the capital of British India. But back then, there were many revolutionaries, so it was difficult for them to rule. Hence, they decided to divide and then rule. But the division was based on religion, that is, Hindu and Muslim. Convincing the people about their strategic decision, and the intention was Ek Tir Se Do Nishan. Emotionally disturbed Indians started Swadeshi movement, and it was only then the Britishers decided to reunite Bengal in 1911. But the seeds of partition had already grown in the minds of India in the form of Muslim League in 1905. To be on the safer side, Britishers decided to shift their capital to Delhi in 1912.
In 1915, Gandhiji returned from South Africa, and on his return to India, he started a Champaran Satyagraha. This is said to be the first Satyagraha in India, and it was successful. Satya, Ahimsa and Tapasya, that is, truth, non-violence and willingness for self-sacrifice forms the core of the weapon that Gandhiji was determined to use against the British Raj. He was the one who united the whole country as one force. But Jallianwala Bagh incident in 1919 added fuel to fire.
आप फंसे थे मौत के मुंह में, नहीं कोई बचने वाला था। हुआ था हत्याकांड जहां, वो बाग जलियांवाला था। देखकर इतनी लाशों को सीने से आह निकल जाती है। साल के इस दिन बिना दर्द मेरी आंखें भर आती।
After seeing this merciless act, young and radical leaders eagerly wanted full independence and not just dominion status. So, Jawaharlal Nehru came with the idea of Purna Swaraj in 1930.
With the World War II, India was at its peak for its freedom struggle. Do or die, the famous line given by Mahatma Gandhi on the first day of Quit India movement. This was an attempt to get immediate independence, which Britishers denied till the end of World War II. Though the movement was based on non-violence, people had aggression in their language, in their speech, in their work, or even walk. Give me blood and I shall give you freedom. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. The famous quote given by Subhash Chandra Bose from Indian Prairie Burma to Nehru and Gandhi, demanding the British troop to lift India. India was fighting from all of its corners.
In 1946, when Cabinet Mission came to India to discuss the transfer of powers, interim government was formed and functioned till the clock struck 12 on 15th August 1947. From the hands of Britishers, but the challenge was of its administration. On 26 January 1950, Constitution came into effect. It took care of people of all religion, caste, background and culture.
India still smells fresh even after 73 years of its independence. Many battles have been fought up on the front. Many historical changes, discoveries and contributions have been made by India. Exceptional space work and research, experimenting on its nuclear progress, care toward its special and endangered species, building relation with different nations, and its constant striving nature to develop makes her a young nation. There have been ups and downs, natural disaster, dips in economy, but she has never failed to have a bang-on comeback to our India, हमारा भारत. ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, ये बात हवाओं को बताए रखना, रोशनी होगी दिए जलाए रखना. खून देकर जिसकी हिफाजत हमने की, खून देकर जिसकी हिफाजत हमने की, ऐसे तिरंगे को सदा दिल में बसाए रखना.
The history was golden, rare, and precious. The golden history is the reason you and I are breathing freedom today. Today with us, we have Mr. Haren Gandhi as our chief guest for the celebration. Haren Kumar Gandhi, sir, is an ex-Air Force officer and Kargil War veteran. He is the General Secretary of Veterans India, Surat. He has served as physical fitness, drill, weapon, yoga, and sports instructor in the Indian Air Force for 23 glorious years. He has been an active part of the Kargil War and Operation Parakram. He also has conducted many national level Air Force events like parades on 26th of January and 15th of August at New Delhi. Sir is the founder of Pre-Military Training Academy with an aim to increase Gujarat's representation in Indian military services. He also runs the famous Nest preschool and Saksham, the Life of Gurukul. He conducts skill development program for Digital India Mission under the Ministry of Electronic and Information Technology of the Government of India. Sir, we are very glad and out of words with your presence here today with us. I request sir to address our virtual audience connected via different platforms. Over to you, sir.
Jai Hind, everyone. First of all, let me congratulate you on the 74th Independence Day, as this is the time of Corona pandemic
and we are celebrating this independence with a lot of challenges. So we have to celebrate this on virtual platform, but the heart and the josh remain the same. So I am so grateful to CIS, the visionary and dynamic principal, Mr. Sanjay Bhai Mehta, the trustees, and all of you for inviting me as a chief guest for this virtual celebration of 74th Independence Day. My dear student, it is my great pleasure to address you all on this such a important day of our nation. The freedom is really very hard-earned. Many leaders and general public, a student like you, they laid their life and given us this freedom. My dear student, let us understand the right meaning of independence, and I am sure as you are studying at CIS, there will not be any doubt how you understand the freedom. Today is very important day. We have to understand the 15 August, 26 January, Vijay Diwas, all these days of national importance gives us the great reminder that how we should contribute to our country. John F. Kennedy in 1964, when he took over as a president, in his first public address, he said that do not ask what your country can do for you, but ask what you can do for your country. Let us ask ourselves what we can do by which our country will progress. जैसे सोने की चिड़िया पहले थी, वो सोने की चिड़िया हम वापिस कैसे बना सके, उसके लिए हम सबको अपना योगदान देना पड़ेगा. अपने लेवल का जो भी योगदान है हमें देना पड़ेगा. Let us try to better the environment, to improve the environment and make the lives of the people little easier and little better. There is one prayer in Terapat and it is said, I will tell you in Hindi, बहुत ही अच्छी पंक्ति है. उसमें लिखा गया है कि सुधरे व्यक्ति समाज व्यक्ति से राष्ट्र स्वयं सुधरेगा. सो अगर हमें पूरे देश को सुधारना है तो सबसे पहले हमें अपने को सुधारना पड़ेगा. We have to challenge our own limitations. Dear student, if you can challenge your own limitations, work hard and improve yourself, study well and make a goal. Every student should have a goal. If you have a goal, you can go on the right path with the guidance of your dynamic principal and all the faculties, teachers and the trustee of CIS. I am very sure you are on the right path and I wish you all the best on this Independence Day. I will not take much time. I have to rush somewhere else. God bless you all, students. Make your life worth living and meaningful. Thank you very much, Sanjay sir and the trustee. I wish you all the best. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your wonderful words. Moving on further, here we are at the end of the celebration. With that, I call upon head boy Ujjwal Chaudhary and head girl Shruti Soni to present the vote of thanks.
Honorable Chief Guests, Principal Sir, MD Sir, valued trustees, all teachers, staff members and friends, a very good morning to you all. I, Shruti Soni, head girl of Countryside International School, feel honoured and privileged to propose a vote of thanks on this year's 74th Independence Day celebration virtually.
And I, Ujjwal Chaudhary, head boy of CIS, would first like to thank our chief guest, Mr. Harin Gandhi, for sparing his precious time and sharing his experiences with us. Sir, indeed your words have inspired the students and brought us more closer to our nation and the defense forces.
Yes, sir. Truly, we are thankful for your presence in this event. Here, I would like to thank our Principal Sir, Dr. Sanjay Mehta, MD Sir, Mr. V.M. Patel, and our Vice Principal Ma'am, Ms. Swapna Menon, to always motivate us to perform our best during this pandemic period too.
We are very fortunate to be backed up with an efficient team of teachers working for the planning and execution of this virtual celebration from past so many days. We all thank you for your support and guidance extended to all the students who were able to perform today.
It has been a great day and we have had beautiful performances by the students who have all organized and helped in making this special day even more glorified. I want to thank all the students who have put in a lot of efforts to make this celebration a success.
I am proud to be a citizen of India and feel responsible for celebrating such glorious days. Hope that we all will celebrate the 75th Independence Day together with great joy next year. I want to thank everyone here for making this celebration a success. Thank you very much. Happy Independence Day to everyone here. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Ujjwal. Thank you, Shruti. Today, let's take a decision to value our nation. We shall not forget the sacrifice who gave us freedom. Now it's our turn for a reformation. With these words, I conclude the virtual celebration. I, on behalf of Countryside International School, send you warm regards on 74th Independence Day. To end with the celebration, let us have a video prepared by our heads and educators. The video is our commitment and determination towards COVID-19. We salute the COVID warriors. This is our tribute to their invaluable services. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.